Hey guys, welcome back to the Nina's family, and we are going to make homemade baby wipes.
Okay, let's get on making these natural baby wipes. So first, we're gonna need any container.
Like any single container that you have, or like you could buy at the store. It's this.
We just use one of my son's just empty container. First, we are gonna get 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. So I just picked this up at Sprouts. You can pick it up anywhere. This is gonna have to be melted, and we're gonna put it in the bowl.
Put it into the bowl, right?
There it goes. Next, we're gonna use 1 tablespoon of any baby wash.
You have to get it all the way to the top.
All the way to the top.
Oh.
We're gonna use 2 cups of distilled water. That's right there. You can pick up any kind of distilled water, it doesn't matter. All right. All right. So we're gonna mix it all together. So we're gonna mix it all, and she's gonna fold up the paper towels. I already have some in the container. She helped me. Hold the other side. Okay, and then you put it in the container. Okay, so she's gonna put it in the container. So once they're all inside the container, we're gonna get the water and everything that's in there, and we're gonna pour it inside the baby wipes. So it's gonna be a lot. So it's gonna get absorbed. And we're gonna close it, and we're gonna shake it. Once I shake it up, we're gonna let it sit for 15 minutes, and you're gonna have moist baby wipes. Okay, so the baby wipes have been sitting for about 15 minutes, and this is how they come out. Baby wipes now. So now you have natural baby wipes. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe.